Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Lori.
And if this is the first time dropping into our channel, welcome. So we're here at Pismo State Beach, North Beach Campground along the coast of California, south of where we live in San Mateo, California. And we're here to celebrate the 1-year ownership of our Winnebago Solis 59 PX Hardtop. And early on when we purchased the Solis, this was one of the first campgrounds that we came to. So what are we doing? And we thought we'd make a pizza. So,
yes, we made pizzas at other places, and we should christen this campground with a pizza.
We've not made a pizza here. So what are we doing today? Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
Congratulations.
Happy anniversary.
It's been a good 1 year with our Solis, let me tell you. It's been basically, you can go ahead, it's been basically maintenance free. So our standard, we have our Ooni Koda 16 outdoor pizza oven, and we let it warm up for 30 minutes on high, and I'm about to turn it down to low.
So we have to do a little innovation tonight. We usually coat our peel with a 50-50 blend of semolina and flour, but we forgot our semolina at home.
Yeah, I'm told I was the one that forgot
I thought it was Bill's responsibility to get it. And this is our Biga recipe that we used from Kitchen and Craft.
And if you happen to subscribe to both 12th Avenue Cuisine and Lori and Bill Retired, we're going to put this video up on both. So if you see it on one channel,
feel free to like both of them.
Yeah, you feel free to like. Likes are very important, but we're going to do a special video just about the Solis and our experience after 1 year and roughly putting 20,000 miles on it. Bottom line though is we're very pleased. But in the video that we're going to do, we're going to share pictures of some of the places we've traveled to and those type of things, and give you our thoughts on what it's been like for us with our Solis over the past year. So,
and this is really one of our favorite campgrounds too. It's just centrally easy to get to, centrally located, very popular, and there's a lot of space between campsites.
Yep, and we're gonna put a campground review on Lori and Bill Retired. So before we go, we'll have that.
I forgot that's not what I do.
We'll have that shot, and then it'll take us a couple days to turn it around and put it into a video that we could publish. So, so what's our fixings tonight, Lori?
Well, our favorite is the sopressata and also pepperoni, but we forgot our Parmesan at home, so I'm gonna top it with a little bit of these Parmesan crisps.
Oven baked Parmesan crisps.
They're delicious though.
And they're called Parmesan crisps everything. I don't know what that means.
Well, there's got a little touch of garlic and some poppy seeds.
So without the 50-50 mix of semolina and flour, we could run into an issue trying to launch the pizza, but we'll see.
Okay. And I broke up the Parmesan crisps, and I usually always put it underneath the mozzarella. I love the flavor of a Parmesan on pizza.
I wasn't too sure of this one. But after a glass of wine or two, I said, okay, we'll go with it. But it's all about experimenting, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you make the type, what's a pizza? A pizza is what you want to create and what you want to use. So I don't think there's any rule that it has to be a certain way, right?
Yes. So Bill requested that I cut up the sopressata in small pieces. And what was the reason for that, Bill? Or
I just like things a little bit more bite-sized. Lori can kind of put the whole thing in her mouth. I'm a little bit more delicate. I need things a little bit.
I think he has a
cut.
small mouth.
But I think we're gonna put the whole pepperoni on, right?
Right.
And do you have the pepperoni here?
Yeah, it's underneath this.
Oh, okay.
And the reason we're here using not cut up pepperoni is because I told Bill that he should cut up the pepperoni, and he said, no, that's okay. It's thin enough. Right?
And, you know, if you take your pizza oven camping with you, how about sharing some thoughts on what your experiences are like when you camp with your outdoor pizza oven, and what kind do you have, and those type of things, and what type of pizza do you enjoy making when you go camping?
Well, we found that we don't need to take our grill with us if we have a cast iron pan and
Okay, I think I'm going to have to do something here.
Oh, wait a minute. And Bill always likes toppings on top of his cheese on top of the toppings.
Yeah, having
I don't know why.
lived in Chicago for several years, it seemed to me in the neighborhood pizzerias, they generally put cheese on the toppings underneath the cheese. So, oh, this is it?
Yeah.
All right, let's see how this goes.
Okay, see?
Oh yeah, I think we'll be okay.
Oh, perfect, Bill.
And we'll just put this over here.
Okay. And we also always put our pizza on a wire rack to keep it crisp. But
And
we forgot our wire rack
I
too.
forgot the wire rack, so RBIB25, Paul, if you're watching this, that rack is really the secret to
a crispy pizza.
Thank you for sharing that with us some time ago, and I apologize for not bringing it along. So, all right, so hopefully this camera over here is
We were so organized. In fact, we were ready 2 hours ahead of than we planned to be, but I don't know. What happened?
yeah,
Oh, here. I'm gonna...
it was keeping it off the dirty tabletop.
I figured the oven would disinfect it.
Yes, yes. Did I tell you Lori's a bourbon drinker?
No.
Okay, we're starting to get some rise.
Oh, looks good. I think it's a little bit too early, Bill.
Yeah, there's a little sticky spot back there, right back here.
Oh, let it cook all the way then.
Well, I gotta turn it.
Oh.
Normally I like to use the Ooni 14-inch metal peel to turn,
What do you
but I'm
decide
trying
now?
to make it a little bit easier on cleanup tonight since we're working out of the camper van. But I don't know, you know, we like making pizzas. I mean, we've come a long way. We started this journey after our trip to Italy, and we had so many delicious pizzas. And we
Different pizzas in different varying regions. They're different in each area.
And we thought, why not? You know, COVID hit, why not get a pizza oven and see, you know, we're going to be at home a lot. And
Especially if you're retired. You have nothing to keep yourself occupied. That looks good.
yeah, I'm just trying not to burn it. We've learned to cook a little more slowly. Again, a tip from RBIV25, who had some New York pizzeria experience, giving us some tips on maybe a little bit lower heat for the style of pizza that we like.
I think it needs more time. Oh, Bill's a pizzaiolo, but I'm giving him hints.
Yeah. She's the little boss, I'm the big boss. But somehow it all works out. Yeah, I think it's looking pretty good.
We did bring our rocker blade, though.
We do. We have that there. And we just forgot the wire rack. But I think what I'm going to do is, when we take it out, I'm going to leave it on the thing to see if it gets a little bit of air underneath.
Oh.
What do you think?
Oh, good.
So, I don't know, we don't have our normal cameras that we have at home, but
Oh, I see the the Parmesan crisps have crisped up.
yeah, they have. So what I'm going to do here, since the oven is done, here's the overhead shot. And let me...
How's it look?
It looks good. I mean, I think this is more the way that you like it.
Mm-hmm.
And so what we're going to do, we're going to step away for a minute or two, take some pictures, let it cool down, and we'll be right back with our thoughts. Okay, we're back. We let it cool for about 2 minutes, and again, that's what it looks like. A little bit charred around the edges, but we kind of like that. And let me find a place to put this. Okay, sounds crispy.
Mm-hmm. Just put it there.
Okay, that looks hot. You want to take the first taste?
Okay. Take a small piece.
Okay.
Looks
Does
good.
it look
It's got
cooked?
a little bit of rise to it. It looks thoroughly cooked and very thin. I don't know if you could see. The bottom
it's
looks really nice. Oop,
Definitely thin.
got oil from the sopressata, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. Cheers.
It
Clink.
looks hot. Cheers. Good. I mean, I knew it was going to be good because we used the Biga dough, and we're really becoming fans of the Biga.
And I like it because there's no mixer, minimal kneading, and you hardly have to. It's really easy to stretch into pizza.
Okay, and it pairs well with the Cabernet Franc that we're having tonight. So good job. Part of what we demonstrated was we were able to launch with just flour, although our preference is semolina and flour mixture, right? Or is it straight semolina?
Oh, 50-50 semolina
yeah.
flour.
But and thank you for dicing up the sopressata.
It's a little bit spicier. Good.
Very good, yeah. I'm enjoying the sopressata, definitely. And it works well with the pepperoni.
Mm-hmm.
And okay. Oven baked, parm chips, everything in place of your
Regular
grated Parmesan cheese. So don't be afraid to experiment. So, all right. Anything else you want to say?
No, but it's been great. Weather's beautiful. Even though the campground's really crowded, that's what they say, it's booked, but it's really very nice.
And just a few hundred yards that way over that berm, but you can't see behind the Winnebago Solis 59PX hardtop, is the ocean. And it's a beautiful beach here at Pismo State Beach, North Beach Campground.
And the pass to get into the campground also allows you to drive onto the beach if you want.
Yes, and you would do that a few miles down the road. You can enter onto the beach, and you can even camp out there. So this area is a favorite of ours. We're walking distance to the wharf area. There's ice cream shops. There's a fantastic Cinnabon place. And it's not like
It's not
Cinnabon,
Cinnabon, it's cinnamon rolls.
Private people that make
I mean,
really good
breakfast
stuff.
rolls, yeah.
And we're going to do a walking video around Pismo
Really good
area.
clam chowder.
So you might want to keep an eye out for that as well. All right, anything else we want to say here?
No.
I
I
think
guess
this-
we'll have our dinner.
Yeah, and I think this is another success, Lori. You keep knocking out successes, so thanks again. You do such a great work. So, all right, what do we...
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, again, and
Okay.
likes are very important to the channel, so we would appreciate it if you put that extra effort in and hit that like button if you actually like the video, which we hope you do.
And you can share it with your friends and
Yes.
other Solis users also.
Yeah,
also.
or pizza lovers if you're on the 12th Avenue Cuisine side of our YouTube channel. So, all right, I think that's about it.
Right. See you next
See you
time.
next time. Very good. Actually turned out good.
I was worried it wasn't going to slide off, but it did very well.